Drum roll, please. Dell Osso Farms is celebrating their 20th anniversary, and they're giving you the anniversary gift of one general admission price for almost all of the attractions, including new attractions such as the Giant Slide, Ball Toss Arena, and lawn games. You'll also get the giant pumpkin ball races where you will race against a giant Zorb ball across the new grass field. Not to mention, you get the corn mazes, haunted castle, mystery tour, walk the plank, Del Oso Express train, hay ride, jumping pillows, scarecrow ride, petting zoo, and so much more. And they still have all your favorites: pumpkin blasters, zip lines, and great kids zones. Lower prices, more attractions. It's a happy 20th anniversary to say thank you for 20 years of fun. Del Oso Family Farm is located right off Interstate 5 in Lathrop, just a short drive away for fall family fun. Open daily from October 1st all the way through Halloween. Plus, there's free parking. Visit their website at pumpkinmaze.com